Number 1. The procedure makes reference to a test temperature of greater than 60 degrees Celsius. A. This is the maximum dry powder temperature for this project. B. This is the maximum temperature allowed if using fluorescent media. C. This is the maximum temperature at which dry powder shall be used on this project. D. This is the maximum temperature at which MPI cannot be considered on this project. The answer is C. This is the maximum temperature at which dry powder shall be used on this project. Number 2. In relation to the material preparation, a 2 microns layer of paint around the weld area has been discovered. A. This will not affect the operation and testing can commence. B. It is mandatory to remove the layer of paint. C. In this instance a stronger magnetic should be applied. D. Change the technique used. The answer is B. It is mandatory to remove the layer of paint. Number 3. In relation to the operator levels required to this project. A. It is permissible for level 1 to perform the operation. B. It is mandatory level 3 to sign off the documentation. C. It is permissible for level 3 to complete the operation. D. It is mandatory that a level 2 to completes the operation as a minimum. The answer is D. It is mandatory that a level 2 to completes the operation as a minimum. Number 4. According to procedure, which of the following is the correct sequence of events? A. Pre-clean, apply field, apply contrast paint, spray black ink. B. Pre-clean, apply contrast paint, then magnetize and apply black ink. C. Check magnetic field, apply contrast paint, pre-clean, apply ink and then magnetize. D. Pre-clean, magnetize, apply black ink, then paint with contrast paint. The answer is B. Pre-clean, apply contrast paint, then magnetize and apply black ink. Number 5. Report MTO1 in the section Test Sensitivity. It stated that indications viewable on a Burma Castrol strip. A. This indicates the suitable conditions for the operation to be successfully completed. B. This indicates the conditions for the operation to be acceptable on non-ferrous material. C. If you find discontinuities when performing the operation, then this system of checking permeability is irrelevant and would make the examination valid. D. Only TAM panels can verify permeability on the surface of a material. The answer is A. This indicates the suitable conditions for the operation to be successfully completed. Number 6. Regarding the reported information for the operator and submittal date on MT01. A. It is compliant with the requirements. B. It is not compliant with the requirements. C. The date is acceptable to the standard but the operator is not qualified. D. The operator is qualified but the date is wrong. The answer is A. It is compliant with the requirements. Number 7. Do you consider the defect listed in the report MTO1 to be realistic and a correct evaluation? A. You can detect type defect at 35 to 70 mm but not 89 to 93 mm. B. When you using MT to check a welded component, the contrast paint is always permeable. C. You can detect the type of defect at 89 to 93 mm but not 35 to 70 mm. D. All options are incorrect. The answer is D. All options are incorrect. Number 8. The material state on the report MTO1 state 316L? A. This has high permeability and is suitable for the method applied. B. On this material the detection of subsurface defect is possible up to 2 mm maximum. C. This has low permeability and is not suitable for method applied. D. 316 has low coefficient of expansion making it highly unsuitable for the method applied. The answer is C. This has low permeability and is not suitable for method applied. Number 9. In relation to the light level reported on MT01, is state correctly and which is the correct statement? A. Yes, as long as you have a valid eye test and have completed competency check. B. Yes, it states a minimum of 350 lux but recommended 500 lux. C. No, 350 lux is for black light not white light. D. No, 500 lux is the minimum permitted light intensity. The answer is D. No, 500 lux is the minimum permitted light intensity. Number 10. In relation to the ink used in report MT01. A. It is acceptable. B. It is not acceptable. C. It is not state in the procedure but generally would be acceptable. D. Paraffin-base inks are permissible if used with DC current. The answer is A. It is acceptable.